is yung Fosho Cafe. Ito yung loob ng restaurant nila. Hindi Fosho ang name nitong restaurant. Parang Carnival Bangkok pinakalagay. Pero dito mostly yung mga foods. And then dun sa kabila yung pinakang cafe. Sarap ng chocolate nila. Sofer. Sofer sarap. Dito kami ngayon sa Whose Plate. Hindi ko alam basa, pero super nice. Ang cute. Tapos yung design, nagbabago siya every may occasion. Since malapit na Valentine's, ayan, may pa-flowers sila. Thank you agad sa pa-flowers. Check in here. Good morning.
Passport na rin. O, kayo lang magkasulat dyan. Ano naman nila ang passport?
Wait lang. 30 ilan ang ako?
And about our tour, okay? So everyone, okay, our program is a feeding program, okay? It's feeding program is take about 1 hour with the elephant, okay? So later you're gonna take this, it's 1 bucket each, okay? 1 bucket each, everyone, okay? We have 7 elephants, you can try to feed every of them.
You want a group photo?
Yeah, group photo. Bye, Vanessa.
Vanessa.
Guys, nandito kami sa Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. Today is Valentine's Day and sila yung kadate namin today. Ang cute! Ang babait nila. Malaki lang pero ang babait. Mga gentle giants. Happy Valentine's, everyone! It's single! Haha, you're the boy! Wow! The youngest? What's the name?
Ayelet. Ayelet.
Ayolet?
Years old. Pancake, 6 years old.
Oh!
19 years old. Malik. Yalet, 18 years old.
18 years old. Oh! Bye-bye! Kapun ka! Poop ng elephant.
That's okay, that's okay. Fertilizer, everyone, okay? Fertilizer.
fertilizer.
And sand, we make a pepper. Everyone, okay, is water, we make a pepper after elephant poo, right? We just collect the poo, and then we drop it about 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks, after 2 weeks, it's no smell at all. No smell at
Kaya mo
all.
amoy matcha siya.
After that, we clean in the water, we get only fiber. And then we boil. Okay, we boil, we everything.
This one is water?
Just water, yeah. And just water, just break it because if you put it too, it's thick. Everyone, okay, it's not beautiful. Just one. After that, it's about 5 minutes. It's more flat. Everyone, but it's take up.
Wow! It's like Manila paper.
Come on.
Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa City Coffee Pattaya, of Pattaya. Ayan, ang ganda ng view. And then, ito yung cafe. Dito kami kakain.
Nag-times 3 bigla. Parang hindi pala maganda. Ano?
Nandito kami sa Kauchichan, guys, sa Pattaya. And yan yung mountain with the famous Buddha. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang init lang din. Pero ang ganda, worth it.
We're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. A tequila with some salt and lime. Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking.
Space at the model area before we conduct the work. Our specialists will decide what wood joy technique for each work and how many pieces of wood for uses. After our nails, could you come the front of this table? Wooden sculpture. The behind of the wooden sculpture, the interlocking with our nail. This technique we call long dovetail for make longer, bigger of the piece of wood. Every curved side inside the museum that do interlocking by the curved shape like this, everyone. Nails. The top of the column is the carrying pole to support the roof, the ceiling. When you visit inside the museum, you can see only beautiful art like wood,
Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You ain't harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me.
Dito kami ngayon sa Sanctuary of Truth. Sobrang ganda. Grabe, oh, so much effort. Walang nails dyan. Puro kahoy lang yan. Pinakita sa amin kung paano siya ginagawa. Visit nyo to, guys. Sobrang ganda. Saka ang daming explanation. Sanctuary of Truth kasi it's all about the truth of life. Papunta kami ngayon sa Central World. Katapatan niya lang yung Big C. Dinner tayo. So, nandito kami ngayon sa terrace. Dito kami magdi-dinner kasi may plan talaga kami ngayon. Yung sikat din dito sa Pratunam na Tom Yum soup. Pero close na siya. So, try namin bukas. Pero for now, dito muna kami sa terrace. Malapit siya sa One Food Center. Dito sa Pratunam. Super sarap nito, grabe. The best. Ganda. Instagrammable lahat ng corner. Ito yung harap niya. Ayan. Lalo na pag sunset, no? Skywalk, guys. Last tour namin kasi last full day namin today.